Hey, my name is Kelly Heffley and I work with Randall-Reilly. Today we're going to go over the second part of how to create standout ad creative. If you haven't seen the first part, click the link down in the description below. It has a ton of great information in it and I'm in it. So you should check it out. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button, maybe share our content, leave a like. That'd be really cool and awesome. I did a cheesy wink. Who the f winks? I did a wink. In our last video, we talked about how you can set your marketing apart from your competitors by leveraging the common elements of standout ad creative: visual, verbal, and relevancy. But the process of reaching prospects does not stop with setting up great and compelling and relevant content for your ads. There are a few factors behind the scenes that are crucial to measure the success of your creative and overall campaign and improve your process. You need to look beyond the effects of ad creative and consider your entire campaign. If prospects are noticing your ad creative and clicking on your ads, what actions are they taking when they get to your web pages? Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel let you see when prospects come onto your website and when they leave. Both of these platforms capture the details of a prospect's interaction with your web page, otherwise known as events. This will include things like what pages they clicked on, how long they spent on the page, how far down they scrolled, video interaction, and more. This gives you tangible insight into each person's online behavior. This tells you how to market to your audience and reveals areas that you need to improve upon. Now, a fantastic metric to use is measuring the effectiveness of your click-through rate. This tells you the frequency at which people are responding to your ads. And from there, you can find out the percentage of people who see your ads are interested enough to actually take action. Now, a very common mistake here is focusing on whatever metrics are available. Instead, you should focus on metrics that only align to your overall goal. For example, if your goal is brand awareness, then a key metric here is number of ad impressions. You need a way to see what areas of your process are responsible for your successes and your failures. You do not want to turn off a platform or stop running an ad that is helping you, but you definitely want to stop something that is not helping you and wasting your budget. Using an attribution model can help you with that. So, you've gathered all of your data. It told you how your prospects are responding to your ads, how you should track your campaign, and where your successes and failures are. Now it's time to take all that data and improve on it. Optimization is the process of reviewing your campaigns and ads and then making changes along the way to improve their performance. For example, in a search engine campaign, optimization can be as simple as making bid adjustments or adding negative keywords. Optimization could also be way more complex. For example, running scripts to identify unqualified traffic or update bids automatically. Now, when it comes to deciding on what to optimize, you need to ask yourself what elements of your campaign directly affect your overall goal. Optimizing throughout the running of your campaign allows for continued improvement. With A/B testing, you compare two separate versions of the same element in your campaign. For example, landing page formats, headlines, colors, and so on. Both Google and Facebook allow for A/B testing when you're building out your campaign. Within the platform, you can test for different types of targeting, demographics, affinities, locations, and audiences. Outside of the platform, you can test for things like landing page headlines, colors, and more. However, you will want to test in platform because that will split 50-50 randomly. Running tests allows you to see what your prospects will respond to, and this allows you to make changes throughout the campaign that increase the effectiveness. Producing standout ad creative is only the beginning of getting your prospects to interact with your ads. To build on that, you have to observe your prospects' responses, measure how your campaign is doing, and improve on the data that you've gathered. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video today. There's a first one to this series. It's right up here. If you could also leave a like, subscribe, share the content, that'd be great. If you need some help with your marketing, you could go to Randall-Reilly.com. Thanks for watching our video. I told you I could do it. I did it.